Hi everyone, we just completed working with an AI startup. So basically this very startup making an AI tool just similar to Mind Journey. I believe all of you know Mind Journey. If not, I would highly recommend you to check that out. It's a fantastic tool. So coming to the point, we helped this very startup right from logo design, brand guidelines, brand identity, social media kit, and in this video I'll walk you through the process. So stay tuned and I believe you're gonna learn a lot.